floral hoop is being used for many parts of the wedding, and the reception is no exception. And in this case, we're going to use a hula hoop. You can see we left the bottom part of it exposed and covered the top with just a double-faced satin ribbon, a number 9. And we're going to use this in the bottom of the container to create a centerpiece. So taking the hula hoop floral foam in our woodland container to brace it, put it in place. Very easy to do, but you do want to make sure you wedge it well so it doesn't come apart. And you probably would cover the whole hula hoop. I just wanted you to be able to see what was underneath the satin ribbon. So here we go. So here we have a beautiful base for our hoop design for a centerpiece, but let's add a little bit more interest. Simply adding 4 callas really enhances the whole design and makes a beautiful centerpiece for any occasion.